Yo, what's good? In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to trade meme coins very profitably and how you can scalp small amounts and you can grow your balance into a bigger amounts, right? So obviously the first thing you actually need to do is fix your fees up because your fees are the most important thing. I mean, not really the most important thing, but a very important thing to actually pay attention to. You're gonna jump into a coin, it doesn't matter what coin, just a random coin. Then you're gonna hover here, preset, click it. And then you have slippage, priority, and bribe fee. For slippage, you're gonna do 20%, not more than that. For slippage, 20% only, not more than that, because you're gonna get wrecked as fuck. Priority, you can do 0.0001. That's fine for priority, doesn't really matter. I'm guessing you're gonna start with small balance, so yeah, that's fine. That's honestly fine. Bribe 0 completely. And then make sure to hit also sell settings, 40% slippage because you really want to get out of a single coin, and then priority exactly the same and bribe exactly the same. I'm guessing that you won't have a very big balance, so that means that you don't have spare money to actually throw away, right? So we're gonna hit on pulse and then fix up quick, click here on filters, and then new pairs. What you're gonna do is age, you're gonna do like, I don't know, 2 minutes max. You don't really need more than that. Metrics, volume, you're gonna do 1.5k. Really, that's good. You could also do bonding curve, maybe 10%. That's fine. And I think that's good. And socials, you could honestly do at least one social. I like to have at least one social, then hit apply. Then it's gonna clear up a little bit all the trash here. And then hit again filters, go final stretch, and then audit 10 minutes max. You don't need more than that, honestly. Top 10 holders 30% max. You can even put it at 40%, but honestly, that's not for me. That's too risky. And then go into metrics, 4k volume and 100k market cap, and then 0.5 sol global fees paid. This is very important, so you can skip all the trash coins that just go perma up, and then you lose all your money when you instantly hop in the coin, right? And at least one social. Then go into the migrated, again at least one social. You can have it. I have it at 3 hours. You can do less, you can do minutes if you like, if you want a more clear look here. And on metrics, 20k volume at least, market at 50k. You can even put it a little bit lower if you want to scalp. I mean, if you want to scalp like coins that already have pumped and then dumped. Although it's kinda risky, I don't really want you to do that. Global fees paid 3 at least, so you do, like, again, don't see all the trash that go only up. And then yeah, hit apply. So that's it for this like filters. And now I'm gonna explain to you what you need to actually pay attention to inside the coin, right? First of all, you need to check on the global fees paid. For example, this one has 5 sol paid at 30k market cap. It's fine. Actually, it's fine. 6k, 6 sol paid on 8k market cap is fine, honestly. That means that it's a true coin, right? And it's not a scam. 1 sol again at 6k market cap is fine. Everything looks fine here. Let me find a trash, very obvious scam coin to show you. Maybe this one. 0.5 sol paid. That's not even like, obviously it's a scam, right? But it's not a botted scam. It's not a like a bundled scam, right? So global fees paid actually help you to understand what, like, to not get scammed by bundlers. Now, what I see in a coin. First of all, what you need to look at. Now, what you need to look at is obviously the chart, right? I mean, this is the most important thing. And yeah, it's for a good reason. Now, what we see here is a very big candle here, and then almost like a sideways chart, right? If you see, it's almost like it's going sideways, not really up, not really down. Now, what that means is probably like it's a dead coin. It has 100k volume, but only 20k market cap. That's not what you want to see, right? You want to see 100k volume above 100k market cap, usually. Now, that doesn't mean that this is a bad coin. No. That just means that like the volume is kinda died down. They do a lot of PvP inside the coin, like because with 100k volume, like you really want the coin to be migrated, right? You don't really want to be at 20k market cap. It's kinda low. That probably means that this is gonna fall. Now, if it's a community coin, that's different. It might bump still. Let's see this one, for example. You always want to click on the Twitter, right? 600 views, not really a good meme. Although, like, also the account that actually posted this is posting the CA also. Not really bullish. I wouldn't suggest hopping into this one. Now, what you need to look actually is on the holders. And then you go on the holders and you see the first holder is obviously liquidity pool almost always. Second holder, you want to see how much they're holding. 4% is kind of excessive. You don't really want to see that. You want to see 2.8 and less, 3 and less, whatever you mean. Like 4 is not that excessive, but it's not that good also. You want to see less than 4%, usually. That doesn't mean that still this coin might run. I don't know, like this coin might run even if someone holds 4% of the supply. But as you can see here, they have. But as you can see here, they already have like $200 in. You can also switch it here. You can click this, and then you see it on Sol and on the regular fiat. But yeah, this coin is completely dumping. I don't know. Everyone's in the red. Yeah. That's not really a good. Like, you don't really want to see that, honestly. Also, what you don't want to see is this bubble map. Let me check if you can see. Yeah, you can see. You don't want to see connected accounts. Now, obviously, that like if you see a perfect bubble map that it's nothing connected, that also doesn't mean that this coin is not bundled, right? Because a lot of people just use different wallets and then bundle it up and then insta drop. Although, yeah, this coin is already dead. I wouldn't suggest hopping in coins like that with a lot of pump, like huge candles at first. I don't really want to see huge candles. These big candles in the beginning usually means if it's not some crazy good news based on crypto news, yeah, that's not really it. Chief, that's not really it. Again, you need to pay attention to the top 10 holders. 20% is kind of excessive. You really want to, like, it's not, actually, it is fine, but it could be better. Just like that. Dev 0%, you always want to see that. Bundlers, that's so trash, bro. You're never going to see 40% bundlers. You never going to see that. You really want to see maybe even less than 3%, right? Snipers, again, that's crazy. Snipers, you want to see 0%, and insiders 0%. As low as these are possibly can be, you want them low as fuck. That's the gist of it. Low as fuck. Now this coin is a trash coin. You always. Why I cannot catch it, bro? What? Oh, I'm dumb. I'm so fucking dumb. You always want to like have a Twitter or something, right? To be some crazy good crypto news. For example, if Trump posts something like crypto, maybe like, let's just say Trump posts something about a Solana, I don't know, like a vault or something, like let's just say he makes a Solana reserve or something and he posts that on Twitter. That's crazy good news for the crypto world, right? It's very bullish. That means that it's gonna go up. Like just ape in. There is no point. What is this? Yeah, there is no point. Just ape in. Like, it's not worth it to risk the reward, right? Not getting the reward, I mean. What you need to do is trade based on crypto news. Always, and I mean always. It's good to have also a wallet tracker to have people like it's good to have people that you track, although that can be a good and a bad thing as well. It can be a good thing because you might see something that you might have missed here or here, and you might hop in and make a 2x or something. But it's a bad thing because you might get FOMO, and then it obviously is not good joining a coin after all the KOLs, right? Like, you never want to see, like, for example, this guy. Let's just see his trades. Oh, it doesn't go anywhere. I mean, let's just get this one. For example, let's just go get Dalin. Like, he bought here, like, and he sold here. You never want to actually copy trade them because you're just gonna lose some money, right? Like, he's just waiting for the pump of his like followers or whatever, his copy traders, and then he's gonna dump with you. There's no point. Like, this coin actually ran a little bit, but still it's not worth the risk. You're just probably gonna lose your money, and even if you don't lose, even if you insta sell, you're just gonna lose on fees, so it's not really, I don't know, worth it. It's not really worth it. So yeah, it's a good thing to have some people you copy trade to see what they do and what coins they buy, and you need to actually do the thinking yourself, and then if you actually reach a conclusion that this is actually a good coin, then yeah, you should buy it. But not only to copy trade them, because, or to have FOMO, because then you're gonna lose. I've done this before, and yeah, it sucks. I'm just gonna ape a coin because, like, I'm having FOMO or something, because I see a pop-up here of a guy I'm copy trading, and then I'm just gonna lose all my money because he's gonna dump on me, like, fucking I mean, yeah, he's just gonna dump on me, so there's no point actually copy trading anyone. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Make sure to trade only based on news, crypto-based news, and then you're probably gonna be profitable. It's very easy. Like, if you, for example, a good trade I made was on the Microsoft Copilot avatar. Like, they posted an Instagram, like on the Instagram page, they posted a Copilot sheet or something. Like, Copilot had an avatar or something. Obviously, I know it's good for crypto news, and I knew it would pump, so it did a crazy X. I don't know. I don't even remember. Yeah, you need to catch opportunities like that, and then you're probably gonna become profitable in the long run, honestly. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you next time. Peace.